not the snake. That's a gecko.
Frog.
Frog. That's not a frog. What is this? What is this?
Penguins.
Penguins. Penguins. You want to see penguins? Okay. What are this?
Ruff.
What?
Ruff.
Ruff? Giraffe. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. What is that?
Zebra.
What? Zebra. Good girl, man, Maxine. Where is the snake that will bite you? Look for the snake that bites you. Ew, there's the snake. Ew, I'm scared, Max. What's that? Nick? What will the snake do?
Bite you.
Bite you? Will it bite Maxine?
Okay.
It will. Mommy, go to sleep, okay?
Nick. Nick.
Nick will bite you.
Nick.
What?